Yeah. Yeah. Bro, that was clean.
That was the nastiest drop of the 20th century.
Yo, look at that.
Yo, look at that. Oh my God.
Yeah. In today's video, well, it's early in the morning, it's like 7 something in the morning, but in today's video we're going to be going over to the shop to help Ronald install his air suspension on his STI. So yeah, we're going to be getting that done today and kind of checking out to see how it looks afterwards. But you know, I'm pretty happy for him. He's been waiting like, I don't know how many months, like so many months already. He's been waiting for like, he's been kind of thinking about getting either coilovers or air suspension, and he was kind of going back and forth what he wanted, but he kind of finally came down to it and was like, you know what, yeah, I want to get air suspension. So he invited me over today to his shop and wanted me to help him out install his air suspension. So yeah, today we're gonna be going over there, helping him out and getting a look at how it looks afterwards. Maybe do some little test drives too on the way. So yeah. My boy Ronald, following him to the shop right now. We just met him to get some breakfast at McDonald's. Woo. Yeah, he just changed his taillights like not so long ago, I think. Those are pretty clean. All right. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, so Ronald, he went ahead and last night installed the whole setup, did the wiring and the tanks. Him and his dad, and then his dad did the forward board for him. Man, it's clean, man. He got some air suspension from Bag Riders, super low. He said they're new. They just came out like 3 months ago. It's like the boxing right here. No, I can't see that one. There's these over here. God dang. Man, this is nice. Hopefully one day I can get some air suspension too. Shoot, I'll be down for that. But yeah, today I'm gonna help him get it all set up, and we'll see how it looks afterwards. We got some of the wiring connected. We got Horacio and Ronald over here.
Hey. What are you doing with that thing, bro?
I'm working, bro. I'm working.
I'm working over here. Look at big man.
Yo,
That big man over here.
It's all cleanliness.
Hey, what is that right there?
What's that? Ah!
Hey,
oh,
yo, I got you, bro.
Scare me, man. Don't scare me like that.
Don't scare the camera like this.
you almost about to die. You got these set up already?
Oh yeah.
So next step, we're gonna go in and do the struts, remove them, and then try out the new ones, put them in. Dang, my boy, you got some new wheels too?
New wheels, bro. New tires. Dude, that's gonna be perfect.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude, I like that. That stretch is nice, man.
Hey, let me get that POV. Hold it for me.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, bro. That shit's gonna camber in exactly like we wanted, bro.
Yeah.
Horacio, come look at this.
Bro, come check it out. Look at that.
Oh shit, dude, that's hella stretch, right
Bro.
Then,
Got it?
Viral.
You take it
I
off?
got it.
Alright.
Yeah,
Bro,
dude.
that's just gonna stretch. Whenever you air out, it's gonna camber naturally. So
Yeah.
it's gonna be I think it's gonna be fender to lip, to be honest.
It's gonna be a clean fit, man.
Look at that shit, dude. The fucking lip is sticking out.
For real.
Ooh, shit. She got them whole stretch marks.
Stretch mark.
Yeah,
gonna be
you need
nice.
to sell it like.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take the right front straight out. I already took the left front out for them. They're gonna go ahead and test fit the other side right now while I get this one out. And once I get it out, we'll check it out how both fronts look for the meantime, and then we'll start working on the right side. So yeah. Man, we're struggling in here just to get some damn clips out.
It's embarrassing.
Look at my boy. Hard at work.
Well,
Yeah, we just gotta make a passageway.
Hey, you got one though, right?
I got all of them back here. It's just that other one down there. I don't know what happened. Like it popped out. It went in that hole right there. It went in that hole.
Just pull this side out then.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna try to get this thing out real quick. We got it done right this time.
Is that good?
Yeah, you gotta stick it. Twist it to your right. Yeah.
He said twist it and stick it in.
Stick it up.
Wait, loosen up the other side.
We already got the rears out
There we go.
on both sides. We're gonna already start putting the rear
Wait,
ones
are
in.
you sure it goes in like that? Yeah. Because it looks like it's gonna hit the. Wait, it's backwards.
It's backwards, bro.
Hey, but it's still kind of retarded.
It still looks a little off, right? But I mean, it's weird because you see how the label is on the other side?
So it should be on the other side then.
I would think so, because so that people, you could see the label on the
Wait,
outside.
hold up. I think we're on the other side again.
Yeah. I think it does have to be the other way.
Yeah, because when it sits, it's gonna be like. Oh yeah, because this shit's like right there.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
See what I'm talking about, the label? The brand name?
It's on the other side. Yeah.
So we had it right the first time?
Because people can be like,
It's because it looked like it was touching this for a second.
okay.
Oh. Yeah. So.
Because people can be like,
So
bro,
take them out again?
bro, what
Yeah.
you rocking? Nigga, but I can't see it, bro.
I'm rocking these.
These are, I can't see the label. The boy's on his toes, look at it. Can he reach it? Horacio, can he reach it? The boy on his toes, look at him. That was cute. That'd be me too. I don't even want to make fun of him.
That voice too, that would be me too.
I'm just being real. The boy on his tippy toes.
Damn, that boy got some fresh yeeks.
What? He's like, what?
Get away!
Alright, we officially got all of them in. Right there. All 4 of the airbags. All the way around.
I wanted that leader line instead of using that. Just got an actual I can push the connect fitting on that.
Yeah.
That way you instead of running an
Yeah,
actual
we got all
line,
of
just
it
run
ready.
your actual leader.
Now all we have to do is connect the lines.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, like a red.
Like a
Put on the new wheels. And then go ahead and test it out. Can't wait to see how it looks. We're gonna take a little lunch break. We're gonna take Horacio's Lancer. I'll be in the front. Alright, I'll be in the front.
Oh shit! I forgot I had.
Woo! Bro, I've never been in your car.
You never been in here?
No, I've never rode with you before, man.
Sorry, it's a little big.
It's all good, man. Don't worry about it.
fit?
Yeah.
Oh, what the hell?
God
Boy, got
damn,
some
bro.
tires chilling in the back.
God, dude.
Bro, you
Hey.
fit?
Yo, lunch with the boys.
Sucking the titty, bro.
Oh? Alright, man. I'm hungry. Yo. God dang. Just keep feeding him, bro. Keep feeding him.
Why wouldn't they do like 2 different hoses?
What's up?
Ah, dude, you crisscrossed.
Nah.
All that.
Maybe we can fix it.
Pull it out of this side.
Yeah, yeah, we can do it
We're
like
gonna
that.
crack it. Just pull it out of this side and we'll feed it again. Oh shit, we can't. We gotta take this panel off.
This is looking a lot more complicated than I thought.
Get the light.
We get all the lines connected from all their suspension. Ran it all the way through, all the way around, underneath. Man, we're almost done. Looks like a mess, but that's just how it is. Man, we're almost there. Almost there. This is like kind of a headache, not gonna lie, but I'm room still. Yo, got the wheels on over here.
Yo, it's time. Oh, that work?
Yeah, almost time. God dang, dude.
That's why it looks like possible camera.
Man, this is. Dude, these wheels go good with this car.
Whoa.
Bitch. He's like,
I
boom.
was like, what the fuck? That's just not gonna fit.
Man. It's crazy. Man, those wheels go real nice to this car, I swear. Hold up, let's get a better view. Woo. Dang. I'm happy for my boy. These are his new wheels he got. Cosmos Racing XT 206R. Dude, I like these wheels, man. Like I couldn't really think about it, but seeing it in person, I was trying to imagine how they would look, but man, seeing it in person just looks way better than I imagined. Dang. Dang, boy, moving quick. You excited, huh? I said you're moving quick. You're excited, huh?
Hell yeah, dude. All this work for nothing?
I know.
Bro, I can't get my car out the lift. It's too low.
We might have to camber a little bit. Alright, now let's see if this works. Let's try to get this started. I don't know.
And my keys.
My key.
Download that.
Look,
No, I need to download.
look at you, bro. You can't even think straight.
But I'm like nervous, and at the same time, like
I know.
that shit-
Yeah, like it ain't even my car, man. I'm nervous for you.
I hope I leak. You might get some leaks. Especially coming out of great.
Alright, now they both came on. I can feel it. It's on now. Man, I just want to see it like go up and down already. Right now we have all the wiring, everything connected, all the hoses, lines, everything's all like put back together. And right now we're testing out the air suspension out. And right now Ronald's doing a software update, just checking everything. We're about to check for leaks. Yeah, we're just doing a software update right now. We're so close, like here in a bit, pretty soon, we'll probably be able to for sure try it out, test it out. But he still has to do an alignment, so we're gonna try to get all that done today, hopefully. That way we, we'll be good from there. But yeah, I can't wait. I'm real happy for my friend. I want to see how it turns out for him, and we'll just see what's up. Alright, so we're trying to make sure everything was fitting right. Earlier, the coil was way too low. We tried to sit the car down, let it air out, but it was just sitting way too low, and it could have damaged the fender. So we had to take the wheels back off, go ahead and readjust the coil. It was like set to like 3 inches, so we did it, added it. We went ahead and added like 2 more inches. So we're gonna try that and do it all over again and see, hopefully sits correctly this time. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. Oh shit, dude, damn, that's all the way up.
Bro, it's up there.
Yeah, that's probably like the highest it goes. That was the stock height. Way the fuck up there.
That's what we had before.
Dang. Ew. That's a whole fist right there, man. Nah, we got a leak right now. We can't really drive right now with the leak. So we're gonna have to check it out later on.
Yo, we made some progress.
We got some progress?
Yo.
You think we did it? You think we did it? You think it's official? I mean, it's a little
Hey,
too.
can we bring those ramps over here, bro?
It's a little too high, man, but we're gonna see how.
Why is that so like lifted?
That's what you did. You like put it all the way up.
Yo,
Drop
hey,
that hole.
check the ride height to see how much is from the fender to the wheel again. To see
Bro,
if it's too close to 20.
It's like my whole face.
What?
It's my whole face, bro. Man, it's nice. Well, yeah, obviously he's gonna lower it. I think we fixed the air leak. So yeah, I think we already went ahead and fixed the air leak. Seems like we got that fixed, and so far it seems good. We might do a test drive, hopefully. And right now we're gonna test it, go up and down with air suspension, see. Hopefully it still holds up. But yeah, I think it's looking pretty good so far. So yeah, let's see. Hopefully we can do a test drive if it works out. Come on, man, stop playing. Drop that shit, bro. What you mean? Put that table up, man. Drop that shit.
No,
Come on.
it's gonna leak.
No, I don't. Not anymore. Wait. Hey, I think I hear something. Hey, Ronald, I think I hear something. Nah, I was kidding.
Yo, chill out.
Almost saw a tear come
You got me
down.
sweating balls.
Alright. Come on, man. I gotta see this. You about to drop it? Bro, that was clean.
That was the nastiest drop of the 20th century.
Yo,
now.
look at that.
Yo, look at that. Oh my God.
Yeah. Bro. Yo.
Well, watch now. There's more.
Dude. Holy shit. Yeah. It's good? No leaks? Oh, it is?
Yeah.
God dang it, man.
That's
Hey,
a
but you
wrap.
know what? We got it though. We
Hey,
got
yo.
it. There's that. We still got that
Send me
little
that,
leak.
though.
We
Send
still
me
got
that.
that little leak, but you know what? We're good. We'll get that shit situated.
But guess what though? It don't matter though. Cause we there right now.
Dude, that shit's low. That shit's low.
You don't understand, bro. You don't understand, my head.
God dang. Man, all that hard work paid off, bro.